Ah, look at me trying to pull my curtain on the track and realizing you need proper force to do it. Because there was one detail from the IKEA curtains that I failed to recognize how important it is early on, and that is how low the curtain tape is placed. On paper, everything lined up. Measurements, hooks, placement, but the moment I hung the curtain, the top crumpled like a paper you changed your mind about. Because the real problem wasn't the plan. The real problem only showed up once the system was actually in place. What I hope to share with you in this video is that the relationship between the hook height, the curtain tape position, and the fabric thickness matters a lot. IKEA curtain systems are really flexible and they're designed for many situations in mind, but unfortunately not all of them. IKEA places the curtain tape low so that the fabric above it can fall in front of the rail and hide it. You can see it in this example from their showroom. But in my setup, the curtain has to stay behind the track due to this masking element. So that extra fabric that would usually hide the rail, it gets trapped and crumpled together. This is something I just could not have predicted without trying it out. So instead of fixing the plan, I changed how the curtain hangs. Step 1, change the hanging system. Instead of having the curtain hang directly from the hook, I added a pleater hook. The pleater hook hangs from the original hook that remains straight, creating just enough space necessary for the curtain to move. But now I have a new problem because my curtain sits on the floor. So for my final curtains, I know that I either have to raise the tape or shorten the curtain. Step 2, test folds. Now that I have these pleater hooks, I wonder if there is a way to make the curtain's folds smaller. So I make little folds at a 10-step loop and try to hang them again. And the folds do start small, but then gradually just open up towards the bottom. It turns out that thick polyester material doesn't hold small folds, it likes big chunky ones, which is not the desired look I go for. Step 3, material reality. What I'm also noticing is that with pleater hooks, when the curtain is fully extended, the material is a lot smaller, to almost a third from the original material. So if I intend to use the pleater hooks to create folds, I need to plan for a lot more fabric, possibly at the bare minimum, 3 times more fabric. What I hope you would take away from my failed attempt here is that there will always be a relationship between the hooks, the track or the rod, and the material thickness. And unfortunately, when it comes to curtains, some mistakes only show up when the system is actually in place. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this short idea. I'll see you in the next video.